Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. So guys, come on! It's closing time and of course, Ruan na naman tong two girls. Okay, what will you order again? Solan, what do you want from here? The Hilly Beaver. And it's like how much? How much is that smoothie? We're now again in Erwan and of course. And how much per? How much? Okay, what's that? Mushroom gummies? Are you getting? Oh my gosh, everything is here. Vitamin C. Oh my god, is it true?
It's $35.
Not so bad. Oh wait, how much?
30.
Oh my gosh, I thought $5. Oh my god, it's too much. Too much. All the vitamins are there.
She said she thought it was $5.
I thought it's $5. Okay, did you get me? The old cake, the one with crunch? You're not into cheese, no? I want to nibble something for tonight.
Nibbling something at night is the worst thing you can do.
But that's the best thing I want to do.
Well, that's where you gain all the fat, you know.
Really? Can you get something with crunch, old age, something?
Parmesan.
No, can you just read what's...
Crunchy crystals.
Oh, crunchy crystals. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I think that's the one. Yeah, I was thinking this one.
Where's the aged cheddar?
Aged cheddar, where?
This? Old cheddar.
Oh yeah, that one. Old something. Which one is that's more crunch?
I don't know. Super sharp.
Oh wait, yeah. Wow, what's this? Are they both Hilly Beavers? No.
Jasmine tube.
What's this?
Jasmine tube.
This one. Okay. So are you happy? Happy now. We go home and eat lobster. Mommy will cook lobster.
You'll cook the lobster?
Happy girls. Okay, let's go. Oh, PJ's there na pala. So guys, it's time to go home. Phil is waiting in the car.
Sorry.
No.
Okay, how does it taste? Okay, tell me, how does it taste, PJ?
Weird.
Weird.
But that's not the Haley.
Okay, how does it taste, Solan?
Tropical.
Tropical. And how does it taste, little girl?
You wanna try it?
Try it, Mom.
Okay, I'll try it. Try it. Show me.
Stay beside. There are people passing by.
She doesn't care.
What's this?
Oh my god. Sorry.
Have you tried it?
Okay.
You don't like
It's
it?
so weird.
It's so weird, but I want to try
It's
it
like
again.
coconut or something, right?
Everything's coconut.
Everything's even yours.
What's this?
What's your
Okay. And that's how much?
Well,
$43 together.
Together, like how much?
With that.
$20 each. Oh my god, it's so weird. So, but you guys are happy, huh? Collagen, and it will make you clean. Marketing.
more sweet is had.
Hi, Lexi. I'll see you soon. Wow, what a nice moon tonight. Phil, why were you calling me? Huh?
How long?
So tagal. I was vlogging and you're like interrupting me. Okay? Are you excited with the lobster that I will cook for you tonight? Na-shock si Phil. Na-shock when I said I will cook for him. Oh, where are you going? Are you gonna bring Aton? Where? Oh, where are you going? USC. Okay, enjoy. And what time are you coming home? Because mommy will be out too. Okay. Hello, PJ. Good morning. Can you bring her to USC? Okay. See you later and enjoy.
I'm like in pangbahay.
Pambahay. Not? It's okay. Oh.
Good morning, guys. Guys, sabihin ko sa inyo, guys, what fish of this? What fish of this, guys? Mistisong tilapia. Guys, mayroon din palang mistisong tilapia dito sa Amerika. Sa atin, guys, tilapia is black. Sa Amerika, mistisong tilapia orange. But this is tilapia, guys.
Lot, ano yan?
Pizza po sa PD po, ma'am.
Oh, nag-deliver pizza. Teka, wait. What's this? Lost, PJ! Oh, ito na si PJ. Ah, look. Oh my God. Ano tong pizza na in-order mo? Wow, looks so good.
Does it look good?
Ah, anong pizza to?
It's from New York City.
From New York. Masarap pa?
Main Street Pizza.
Oh, is
Try
it masarap?
My guess is as good as yours, Mom. I've never tried.
That's the one you're telling me na iconic pizza?
It's so heavy.
Are you sure may iconic pizza? So, okay, let's try. So, guys, I just woke up and eto ang breakfast. And I thought, diba you told me you will wait for Aton? You'll have lunch na lang in Claremont.
My wallet.
Can you say hi to my vlog?
Hello, vlog.
Looks so good. Sayang sana si Dad here.
You can eat them some later.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Looks so yummy. And with Tabasco, no? Okay, so go.
Go. Taste it.
Okay.
Give me this, then taste test. The small laude. How the small laude
I
taste.
just finished a bunch
Go.
of these.
One bite, Mom.
One bite.
One bite only.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Mmm.
Mmm. PJ, my God, the cheese is so good. Mmm.
Is it really good or you're just
It's so
saying
hot.
that? Is it really good?
It's really good. Grabe, guys. It's so good. Okay. Prince Street Pizza.
Prince Street Pizza.
Oh my gosh. So good. Where is it?
Prince Street.
Can you eat at the shop?
It's from, yeah, I
Do
think
they
so.
have like a
We should have.
dine-in here?
Okay.
Let's go. Where? Lot soda. Ano si Dot?
Ask Lot to try it as well.
Lot, may papatry kami sa'yo. Oh, Lot, try mo. I wanna see your review, pizza review. Okay, give me your opinion. Oh, sige. Okay. Kamay. Oh.
Deliciosa.
Deliciosa. Like the lechon. Like what lechon, Lot?
Titos Cebu lechon.
Baka Citos lechon.
Titos lechon.
Ako, ikaw pa naman ang official endorser. Tapos Citos lechon. And ang ganda ng Chanel mo, from head to foot.
From TikTok po, ma'am.
From TikTok, Chanelistic, ha?
109.
Ah, hindi real.
Hindi.
Okay. O, so masarap ba ang review? Oh, PJ, how was it?
I'm sending this to Tom.
Oh my gosh, to Ton. Okay, sent to Ton. Si PJ was supposed to wait for Allison in Claremont because she has a 2-hour class and wala siyang license. She has to come back home. Walang license, walang credit card. So, she has to come back home. But Allison will be like expecting you're there just in the parking lot.
He wasn't there.
Okay, kawawa. Okay, back and forth for today because we're leaving the next day. So guys, today I'm going to work. I'm gonna work. I'll do like food truck, magkukook ako. And si Philip ang driver and I hope marami akong kliyente kasi magtitinda ako ng mga Filipino food sa food truck. So guys, kasi wala na akong budget, no? From shopping. So guys, nag-apply ako for work today. Okay, magluluto-luto and magbebenta ako ng mga Filipino food. And guys, okay, let's see kung kasya yung salary ko for today. So guys, see you there. Guys, I'm so late na. Yung food truck ko is here na. And guess what, guys? Ang food truck ko is...
Mom!
Why? Why?
Don't work anymore.
Why? PJ, you work for mom. No, I have to work.
I'll work for you.
Wait, guys, look, sobrang bagay sa amin ang food truck ko. Look, it's White Rabbit. Nandyan si Phil, nagdi-drive na. So guys, magbebenta muna ako ng mga food. I hope malaki ang sweldo ko. Phil! Ooh. Guys, look, ang ganda ng food truck ko. Look, White Rabbit. Let's go, let's go. Guys, bili na. Magbebenta na po. Guys, bili na kayo. Ito yung bago kong business sa LA. Guys, bili na po. Bye!
Saan tayo po pwesto?
Babe, saan ba tayo pupwesto? Kailangan din sa maraming tao. Okay, para marami tayong sales today. Saan maraming tao dito?
Doon po, ma'am.
Doon, maraming tayong magbebenta?
Opo, ma'am.
Sige, okay, maraming magbebentang bulitas. Okay, let's go. Here, go. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can I just close po natin yung door?
Close mo yung door, tapos pwede ka magluluto.
Okay po.
Okay. Na kayo!
Basta mga Ilongga.
Papa!
Very good.
Pwede na kayo magbebenta ko yung tacos, sisig. Ganda mo! At big bag! I'll start cooking now.
Paano ako magluluto?
Umainit.
Di ba kung yung hair ko? Kasi marami akong bebentahan at luluto na food. So, lot kailangan ko ng fan.
Guys, kala nyo hindi nyo alam na si Ma'am marunong din magluto
Guys,
yan.
sobrang hot dito. So, ayan o, ang dami kong customer. Ayan lang sila.
Naka-gloves. Stay
Ah, okay na si Gloves. Yung mga customer natin, gutom na, ha?
Tagan.
My God! Guys, ang dami kong customer, nagwawala.
Maraming customer, no?
Ang daming customer, galit na kasi hindi pa akong what? Gusto ko na electric fan or fan. Okay? So guys, ang hirap palang magtira sa Amerika.
Ano ba to?
So hard pala, you have to work kasi wala na akong pang shopping. Kailangan namin ipilit ng allowance for food. So okay, pili na kayo guys! Wow!
It's so hot, no?
It's so hot! Oh, sige, okay. Anong lulutuin ko? Ay, my God! Guys, sobrang init dito sa loob. Like, guys, nagka-try akong matuto ng work here. So, eto, burrito. Burrito, okay, burrito. And
30
then,
seconds, 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. Then put here. And then, put here. Okay.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
I'm doing burrito ha, kasi guys, 100 pieces ang order. Ay,
Yeah.
like this. 100 pieces ang order. And then, chef, ano next? What next?
Sisig. Sisig.
Okay, so wow! So, sisig. Oh my God! Okay, look. Ay, sisig to. Sobrang init. Oh my God. Hello? This is how we make burritos. And then i-wrap natin siya. You fold 1, 2, 3, and then wrap lang.
Yes.
So guys, gusto ko nakainit. So, and then you cook here.
Tossing.
Oh, okay.
Second.
Seconds, and then I toss it. Baliktad. So I make baliktad. My God, alam niyo guys kung gano'n ko init here, ha? At napapasok na ito. Magkano bang sweldo ko? Pwede bang $200 per hour?
Per minute.
Per minute. Okay. So, ano yan? So, guys, after that, I put here. And then wrap. Oh, wrap.
Yeah.
And then,
Okay. And put the liver.
and then put in that, put in the white rabbit. Okay, white rabbit, guys. Ito, bilhin ng white rabbit. So, okay, like this. So guys, okay I have orders 100 pieces. So nasan yung first customer ko? Ito kaya ako. Guys, first customer ko. Ikaw na pinapanood ko, I swear.
Wow, thank you.
So, okay, magtatapos tayo. Guys, order ko 100 pieces, hindi ko yata magtatapos today. 2 seconds. Okay, then baliktad.
Okay.
Okay, guys, it's so hot here. Tapos, after nito, okay, here, oh. So, I put here. Okay, this is how you do the taco here. It's a food block. And my God, it's so hot. Okay, and then, what's this? Oh my God. Oh, ganyan?
Yeah.
Wow, ganito lang pala.
Okay.
With steak naman, so chicken and beef steak. And then, sisig. Guys, sabi nila, huwag na daw akong mag-cook. Kasi daw ang hot. Pero I need naman to earn money. Kailangan ko kumita. And then I put here. Wow, ang sarap. Taco beef. And this is the white rabbit taco chop. And this one, bell pepper. And this one. And ang swerte. Ang galing ko yata mag-cook. And this. One here. I put here.
Yeah. Side.
And then I can give my client. Oh, close. I can give my customer na. Oh my gosh, nasira. Okay, sige. Sino na yung next order? Yan, ma'am. Ang ganito, ma'am.
12.04.
Okay, $12 to. $12. Okay, $12. Okay, how many more orders? Okay, another 5? Okay, 5 orders pang. Sige, wait na. The rice bowl. Okay. 1.
And 2.
Kulang ano.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anak. Put there.
So, okay, dito lang?
Yeah.
Here, sige na.
Side. Yeah.
Okay, sisig, and then, okay na.
Yeah, what for you?
This is
Side.
the rice bowl order. Okay,
And 1 egg.
garlic,
And 1 egg.
and of course, 1 egg.
Okay. Enough.
So, okay. This is my order.
Bilisan mo, babe.
Babe, ang dami nating order.
Kaya nga, bilisan mo.
Kumuha ka pa, ilang ang...
Makabento tayo.
Oo, ilang ang dapat nating order. Tsaka hanggang ano oras yung work ko?
5.
5 p.m., 5 hours pa? So guys, kailangan ko gumawa 100 nito.
Babe, ang bagal mo.
Babe, syempre, I'm just starting to learn. Okay, ito, ilan na to? Sige. Magkano to? Magkano?
Meron din po.
So, okay, $12 for this. Ilan po order nyo? Okay, sige, 3 pa daw. Okay, 5 pa. So, okay. Guys, gagawa muna ako ng madaming tacos kasi yun ang maraming order. Ha? Okay, not help me na.
Ako, ma'am.
So, guys, 5 hours na ako nag-work. So, I think I'm so tired, I have to go home na. And I made $20 per hour. So, that's like $100 ako today. So, okay. Guys, gusto ko nang mag-eat. Lot eat na tayo.
Ako, ma'am.
5 hours na ako nag-work. Ang init-init dito. Let's go! Guys, tapos na ako mag-work. 5 hours na ako nag-work. Nice, ma'am! Hi!
Achi made that.
Show it. Guys, it's a secret, but she just got it from Del Taco.
So guys, Island Pacific Hardco is here for all your buying needs and of course, yun lang ang ginagamit namin ni Phil. So guys, use this na. So bye! Okay, I'll take my side and help now.
Po, nakasakay siya kasi ma'am sa Tesla. Basta dito tayo kumain sir sa Tesla.
Tesla?
Tesla ba yun?
Tesla.
Tesla.
Okay, so I'm now here inside a Tesla Cybertruck and look, see, ang ganda, it's nice inside and so our lunch had punchy in the address where we will eat and then let's see how the Cybertruck drives on its own. So, okay, relax lang muna and chill lang ako here at the back.
Babe,
So, okay, chill and relax pa rin ako here at the back and not them all.
no need to drive the car.
No
Just
need to
sit
drive-
back and relax.
Also, no need to drive the car, just sit back. So, si Alan dapat dito na lang sa likod. So, dapat ko lang driver.
Dapat balas mo, dito ka sa harap.
Dapat pwede ka.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah. Okay. You driver.
Oh, you.
Sige.
I drive.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Aba si sir, driving ng hibla.
Cybertruck.
Cybertruck. Nag-drive si Sir PJ ng Tesla. Sir, okay po ba? Yung pag-drive maganda? Wow. Bili ka na, sir.
Pag po nalo ko ng loto.
Ano na, tibla.
Sharps, the turns are so sharp, ah.
The rear wheels.
Yeah. It's such a weird feeling.
Lot, hindi ka pa rin full.
Dito po, ma'am.
Oh, sige, ano yan? Anong ice cream yan?
Chocolate po.
Chocolate. Ay, si Phil. Ako, hindi ko na kaya. Dairy Queen.
Oh, delicate.
Okay. O, sige, mag-enjoy ka. Dessert mo yan. Ay, hindi ka. Anong kinain mo before this?
Me? Ano yun?
Sushi. Sushi. Japanese. O, sige, lot-lot. After this, magpapak na tayo, ha? Magpapak na tayo.
Show me. Sushi pala.
Sushi. Ay, sushi. O, sige na. Okay na. Si PJ, what are you having? Ano, you look like Lolo today. Parang Lolo ka, ha? Si Lolo?
Yung sa'yo, ma'am.
Mint chip. I love mint, so I'll take this. Walang sa kami. And I have tissue.
Sa bag po. Foreigners. Yeah. Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi to the Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Hey, I'm Filipino.
Filipino?
Yeah.
Half Filipino?
Yeah.
Half American? Your mama is?
Filipino.
Oh, your daddy is American.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. If you are Filipino, what do you like food of the Filipino?
Pancit.
Pancit and what your mama cook?
She cooks all of it.
Yes.
Everything.
How about the did you try to eat the chicken adobo and
Chicken adobo, that's my
yes,
favorite. Yeah, chicken adobo.
and pork adobo?
Pork adobo, I don't think I've had that.
Wow, it's
Only
nice.
chicken.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank
Then say to your mamas, nice to meet you
Nice
because
to meet you too.
bye. Salamat. Tapos yung isang foreigners, nagtanong kay ma'am, then nagnood sila. Nagnood sila ng vlog ni ma'am. Half American, half Filipino. That guy, black one there.
Going through something. Okay, you're leaving na?
Yeah.
Okay, buy Ate Alice perfume, ha?
Okay.
Are you buying Ate Jillian's gift?
Yeah.
For her birthday?
Yeah.
Okay, where's Aton? Ton, you remember Auntie Alice gave you the Lina perfume?
Yeah.
She wants two of that, huh? Oh, PJ knows the address where to get it.
Yeah.
It's in Rodeo.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, little girl.
See you.
I'll see you later. Okay. See you.
Allison, shopping again.
This is for you.
So, what you got? Chamberlain coffee.
This is all for me. And that's all for PJ.
Is it for me?
Yeah.
It's for Mike and for other people. Chamberlain coffee. Nice store, guy. Let's do a taste test on your coffee later.
Matcha.
Matcha. You ordered matcha?
So tired. So I need it.
You need it. Why? What did you do last night? Why are you laughing, bruh?
Secret.
Secret love. So we just got our orders. Matcha
Like,
and I don't know, MSW is what it's called. Matcha looks good.
I hate doing this.
What are you doing?
Putting the top.
Let me do it.
I already did it.
So it's matcha with banana top.
Yeah.
First sip,
Yummy.
yummy.
Like that.
They taste yours.
I'm also such like a big Emma fan, so
Oh.
I feel like I'm biased. But yeah, I also want to taste yours.
Mm-hmm.
I want to taste yours.
It's unique. Sweet though. Very good. I like
I
it.
think you have to mix it back.
Wanna try it?
Yeah.
Good, right? It's Emma's Way. It's espresso, almond milk, and creamer. This one's wild.
Like good?
It's really good. I can taste the banana and the matcha at the same time.
Yeah.
Good, good. Alright guys, we gotta get going. Guys,
Keep forgetting to record.
Allison forgot the vlog. But we got shopping for... Which one did you get? For Auntie Alice. We
Delina.
got her 2 Delina perfumes. This is very mabango. Oh, I'm smelling it right now. At least we were able to buy stuff for our family, right?
We're not done though.
We're not done. We have to get birthday stuff for other cousins.
From Sephora.
Right? Sephora, here we come. Our favorite store.
Yours also?
It's my absolute favorite store.
Good to know.
Hey guys, we are with Aton. She is not done shopping. You're not done shopping, right? Okay, perfect. I am chilling and you are shopping.
Huh?
What do you guys think of Allison's belt?
I want everything in the store.
Sorry, say that again.
I want everything here.
Oh no. Oh my god, Allison. So we just shot a minute vlog and we weren't recording. So Allison is still shopping. Update guys, that's the update. She's thinking about this belt. I told her to just get it.
But I also like those 2 jackets there and like everything else. I want everything.
Oh no.
I think I have to settle for this. Just more than enough. But
What do you guys
should
think
I
of
just try the
Dawn's
jacket
belt?
on?
Yeah, try it on. Bulldog Queen. She's man like mom shopper.
It's not even the weather. Besides, he says it's back. How's it?
You wanna step? Wait, hold on.
At least like I tried it.
Update guys. So Aton got her belt. She's been shopping non-stop. But it's okay. The aftermath. Guys, another update. We are back at Aritzia with Allison, of course. Non-stop, guys. Okay, how does Allison shop for clothes series? From makeup to now clothes. By the way, this is all her shopping.
So false.
Ma'am, di ba barber style yan? Di ba artist na po yun, ma'am?
Not Hollywood actress. Singer actress.
Ba't may pangalan po, ma'am?
Not nag-donate na.
Dito pa lang.
Celebrity from hospital, si Rosanna. And ito, Max Factor building. Oh, look, oh. My God, the hospital building. Oh, ayan, Max Factor, Family Tower. Ano kita mo?
Opo. Kaya pala.
Si Daddy na kung saan dyan dati. Oh my God, the doctors are so nakakainis. Hindi okay yung doctors dyan. Hello? Gusto lahat opo.
Ngayon, nandito kami sa Beverly Center. Ito yung road ng Beverly Hills na nakikita ko sa IG. May nagwo-walk. Parang ginawang model yung straight na to. I'm here in the Beverly Center. Guys, pang 6 times ko na dito sa Amerika.
Alam mo, that is expense yan. Gas-gas na yan.
Gas-gas na yung passport ko sa tatak na tatak.
Pag 7 na lang.
Yes.
Kaya nag-10 ka na, okay?
Yes. Baka sa next ko na punta 7 na. Diba?
Alam mo lahat, what you're so yabang.
No, I'm not mayabang,
Baka
ma'am.
mag-bash tayo.
No, I'm not mayabang, ma'am. Just I singing true.
Napangilan mo na talaga.
6 times for now.
6 times, okay.
Yes.
Next time is 7.
Yes.
Kasi binabash ka, first time mo lang daw, excited.
Sabi ng isang girl doon sa Thailand, huwag kang magyabang kasi first time mo lang sa Thailand. Sorry.
Biglang nagigil si Lot-Lot. Naiirita doon sa commenter niya.
Ma'am, pwede pa ba ako mapunta mamaya sa may rose po?
Anong Rose? Ross. Anak ka ng money. May money ka pa ba? O sige na nga.
Meron
Last
pa, ma'am.
week na. Okay. Okay, sige.
Wow.
Wi-Fi, ah.
Meron pa akong $300.
O sige na, bumili ka na ng rubbers mo.
Opo, ma'am. Thank you po.
Okay. So later, ha? Mag-connect ka, I'll call you.
300 kay ma'am, small 300 kay ma'am Alice, $600 lahat. Thank you po. Punta na ako, mama.
Punta ka na. Okay,
Sige
go.
po. Guys, nandito ako sa Rose. Bibili akong sapatos. Sapatos kong pang trabaho. Yung black shoes, saka yung rubber shoes. Kaso wala akong makitang flat shoes. Puro mataas. Ito maganda. Ito maganda. 15 lang, guys. $15. Ano kaya? May size inihap. Ang laki. Guys, thank you. Hanap muna ako. Ma'am, matapos na po.
Lang mo, ako na lang nag-grocery on my own. Ano, tapos ka na sa, ano mo?
Opo,
Sa
ma'am.
Marshalls?
Opo.
Ayun yung Marshall, sa baba lang.
Opo.
Finish ka na.
Opo, ma'am.
Alam mo, si Lotte, masyadong maraming shopping. Ano na ba?
Mura kasi, ma'am, eh. Mas sapatos po.
We're done. Nights are last.
Then, mga pagbigay sa angels.
Pangbigay sa Angels. Sa Verdi ka. Alam mo, ako nakapagya. Wala akong pangbigay sa Angels. Buti ka.
Chocolate lang.
Is our card?
Ito mo, ganito.
Oh, sige, let's go.
Hi, guys! Nandito kami sa M Street. Looking for some ano daw? Wait lang. Wait, guys, nandito tayo sa M Street. Hanapin ko yung bahay ni Menendez Brothers. Di ba sikat yun? Hanapin ko siya. At ipakita ko po sa inyo yung bahay ni Mendez Brothers.
Oh, that's the Menendez brother. Oh, yeah, ito.
Yeah. Ito guys, oh. Ito yung guys yung bahay ng Menendez Brothers.
Menendez brothers.
Menendez Brothers, yan. Yan po yung bahay
Here's the
niya.
M Street.
Nice place here in the Beverly Hills. A lot of artists dito guys. Marami itong mga artistang mga Hollywood.
Aton, I'll bring Aton na to school. Oh, it's now we're leaving tomorrow a.m. You know what? It's almost midnight here and we'll bring her to school. I'm so sad. Little girl. Come with me na lang. Ha? We'll bring her to school now. It's an hour drive from here, but we try to spend the most of time we can. So done.
I look so bad.
You look so bad, but you know, see you in November. Thanksgiving.
Why? Are you coming?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Baka you'll be out. You'll be in Paris with Marlon. Okay, let's go. So guys, we're going to PJ. Come on, let's go.
Yeah?
Are you gonna drive?
That will.
Okay, let's go. I'm so sad. We're finally here in Claremont, and oh my God, it's so bright here, well lit place. And look at PJ, so mabait na brother. PJ is like insisting that
Mom, come on. Do it. Come on. I'll video you while you do it. Please.
PJ is,
Come
oh
on,
my
Mom.
God, it's so cold. Look, the compound is,
Okay.
the campus is very, very bright. And
that.
PJ is like insisting that I carry this television.
Come on.
PJ talaga always make me do everything. Ay, oh, see, Dad said hindi ko kaya. Oh, it's heavy.
Mom, come on. You can do this.
PJ always makes me utos. Ayun,
Mom can carry this. I'll carry all.
Alison doesn't like to bring maleta. She likes paper bags. Kasi don't know room for maletas. Okay, Aton is carrying the pamana carpet from Alex. This is the pamana carpet from Alex.
People awake.
People that will be awake. People are awake. And this,
You don't help.
look, there's somebody's. I help daw. Okay, I help this. I help to carry this. OMG. So many supot, so many mga paper bags. This one is so embarrassed. Because we have so many supots. And that guy is cute. That's why she's nahihiya. Do you know all the cute guys here? Okay, let's go.
Please stop.
Well, you're nahihiya na? Okay, let's go. Okay. Cargador, PJ. You're a cargador.
My new job, Mom.
Your new job in ano?
I might transfer gears.
We're so quiet because we might disturb them. Because it's 1 a.m. We have to respect the people who are sleeping.
See you.
It's 1 a.m. We have to.
We'll see her next month. We'll see her next month.
Yeah, we'll be here next month.
Basta libre mo ticket.
So, okay, what a nice campus. It's 1:30 a.m. and we brought Allison so late because we want to make the most out of it to spend time with Tonton. So, okay, that's it. Look what a beautiful building here. Look how big! Oh, store ng Skims. Oh, wow. Bago ba yan?
Mom, your camera's a bit tilted.
I'll be sexy if I wear this. What do you think? It's the whole building for the underwear, for Skims.
Guys, last minute, siyempre si Mom nasa Hermes. Time to go back to the Philippines.
Flying favorite scent ko. So, okay, it's si PJ.
Last minute, Mom.
Last minute ka, one more. Last time.
Last na. Siyempre, sa duty free. Papunta sa duty free, bibili siya ng tsokolate.
So, okay guys, that's it for my LA vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Oh my gosh, I miss LA! So, okay, lunch muna.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos,
click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!